Hello, good morning, everyone. My presentation today is about 4G evolution, revolutionizing mobile network and communication. We'll explore how 4G has shaped modern communication, its keys, technologies, challenges, and its impacts on our lives. So let's dive it in. For introduction, like what is the 4G network or the technology, the communication. 4G or the fourth generation of mobile communication is a technology that delivers high speed, reliable, and efficient internet. It marked a significant leap from earlier mobile networks, enabling real-time application like HD video streaming, online gaming, and smart devices. And why is it important? Why the 4G is important? Compared with other networks, it was that those networks were invented or created first, that were very slow compared with this 4G networks. So because it's revolutionized how we interact with the digital world, providing the foundation for many technologies used today. So this is why the 4G communication it's more important, and it also given the platform for 5G communication for further revolutionized. So this is very important for communication. So mobile network generation before 4G. Moving to our third slide, that to understand 4G, let's get a quick look at producers and predecessors. And 1G was like 1G that was was introduced at the 1980s, offering analog voice communication only. And moving to the 2G in 1990s, bought digital voice, SMS, basic internet with GPRS and H. So for the next one, like 3G, which arrived at early 21st century, like 2000s. So introduced mobile broadband with faster internet access. Uh, the need for 4G arose because people demanded even faster speed, lower latency, and more reliable connections to support and new applications. It was answer to growing digital world. So core of technologies in 4G, what technologies we need to implement our 4G communication. We have a bunch of technologies like orthogonal frequency, division multiple access. That's short form was like OFDMA. So enables efficient data transmission and to multiple users. Access allows efficient transmission to multiple users, and MIMO like multiple input, multiple output users, multiple that allows users multiple antennas to increase the network capacity. And all IP networks unify voice, video, and data communication, improving the speed and efficiency. And finally, the carrier aggregation combines frequency bands to enhance bandwidth, ensuring the faster speed. And even it's even in high traffic areas, it doesn't matter for 4G communication and technologies. Those technologies work together to make 4G not just run or faster, and it's better, we can say it's smarter. So the key milestone in 4G evolution, 4G was first deployed in 2009 in Stockholm and also Oslo. The first commercial standard was called LTE, or long-term evolution, which delivered much faster speed than 3G. This was followed LTE Advanced, which introduced features like carrier aggregation and speed up to 3 Gbps. Later, LTE Advanced Pro, often referred to as pre 5G, added features like massive MIMO, and better support for lot devices, paving the way for the next generation. So, for our next slide, the benefits of 4G technology. 4G brought several game-changing benefits. It provided speeds up to 1 Gbps, enabling HD video streaming and online gaming. It reduced the latency, making call, a real-time call or real-time application video call and more efficient after 4G has invented. Improved network coverage mean that even the rural areas could access reliable connections. It supported lot connecting billions to devices worldwide. And finally, it offered better security with advanced encryption and authentication methods. These benefits have transformed our personal and professional lives. So there are some challenges for 4G evolution, like without, of course, rolling out 4G wasn't without challenges. Spectrum availability like was limited, and finding the right bands for global deployment was tricky. Upgrading network infrastructure required significant investment, and not all devices were compatible with 4G initially, creating barrier for many users. Lastly, as user demand grew, networks faced congestion, requiring constant improvements in capacity. Despite these hurdles, 4G successfully became the backbone of modern communication. So, moving to the next slide, impact of 4G on society. Like the impact of 4G on society has been profound. Communication become seamless with video calls and VoIP services. The entertainment industry boomed up with this platform like Netflix, YouTube, and HD streaming. E-commerce and digital economies flourished due to faster and more reliable connections. It enabled lot IoT, uh, powering smartphones connected with vehicles and even industrial information. 4G reach has touched nearly every aspect of our life, improving how we work, play, stay connected. So, for conclusion, to wrap up this conversation and presentation, from enabling faster internet to supporting billions of devices, the 4G has laid a groundwork for the connected world we live in today. However, the story doesn't end here. The evolution continues with 5G, which is built on 4G to provide even faster speed, ultra low latency, and capacity to support advanced technologies like autonomous vehicles and smart cities. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for attending me. Thanks.